I still think of you often, and I heard you're okay. I can't shake this feeling as night turns into day. So I sit here on my bar stool as the jukebox begins to play. Bartender, give me another shot as I sip on my IPA. Eases the pain on any given day. Not much more to say. I'll be sipping on my IPA. Don't know what I did. Don't know what to say. There are moments that come and I know you slipped away. So I'll be sitting on my bar stool as the music begins to play. Bartender, give me another round as I sip on my IPA. Eases the pain on any given day. Not much more to say. I'll be sipping on my IPA. You know, I saw you the other day with someone new. I wonder if you think of me sometimes, when it was good in the same old way. So you know where to find me. I'll be sitting on my bar stool, sipping on my IPA. Bartender, give me another round as I sip on my IPA. Eases the pain on any given day. Nothing more to say. I'll be sipping on my IPA. I'll be sipping on my IPA. Moss don't grow on a rolling stone, and the sun don't shine in the shade. And when water flows uphill and the desert turns to sea, I'll be back in your life. Hopefully you remember me. Ooh. Whiskey in my legs, slow walk morning. City hums, I flow. Breath moves, I coast. Ride this one out. Ride this one out. Ride this one out. Ride this one out. Pocket full of time. Eyes half closed, I'm friend. Something waits ahead. Don't ask bridges burn. Ride this one out till I'm left.
Yeah. I don't say much, but I pay attention. And where I'm from, man's words still weigh something. Yeah. Grew up where the city don't love you back, but it'll teach you quick if you learn the facts. Start a night, Central Valley Day. Pressure make diamonds or break. I watch people fall just to fill the room. I learned early that ain't my move. I don't bar loud, I don't need a stage. I was built off principle, not praise. I was raised different. I don't talk much, but I stand in it. Raised different. I don't bend when the crowd's leaning. From the dirt roads to the code I keep. I was raised different, planted deep. They said, you don't sound like you're from out here. I said, I know, I was taught to steer clear. Shortcuts cloud and borrowed pride. I keep my circle small, my values wide. I don't hate change, I just trust rules. I don't follow trends, I follow truth. I've been conservative with my energy. Not everything deserves access to me. Yeah, I was raised different, quiet string, no permission. Raised different, I don't fold under conditions. I don't post it, I don't flex. I don't chase what don't make sense. I was raised different, and I'm good with that. Yeah. I was raised different, and I'm good with that. Yeah. I was raised different, and I'm good with that. Doesn't matter where you planted, it's the roots that hold you still. I don't need open land to carry Texas in my will. Freedom ain't a bumper sticker, it's how you move when no one's there. How you treat the people below you and how you show the weight you wear. I was raised different, no crowd, still conviction. Raised different, I don't need likes for validation. From Stockton streets to country code, I stand firm where I was told. I was raised different. Yeah. And now I die that way. Change your mind. Just don't try to change your mind. Yeah. sizzling, we're making noise. Friends and family gather around. In this great land, good times are found. We live life to the fullest, that's how we do. Happy hour Fridays, nothing's ever blue. Beer pong at the lake, sun shining bright. In the USA, everything feels right. Traveling up and down the coast, hiking through mountains, that's what we boast. Every place we go, it's a celebration, finding beauty in every location. We live life to the fullest, that's how we do. Happy hour Fridays, nothing's ever blue. Beer pong at the lake, sun shining bright. In the USA, everything feels right. Fireworks light up the sky, playing guitars, feeling so high. Going to bands, driving fast cars, Vegas for the weekend, Nashville's bar. Texas, the stars shine so bright. Country tunes played through the night. Franklin, Tennessee with its charm so true, where the music flows and dreams come through. In Branson, Missouri shows all year round. Live music, magic, the best can be found. Knoxville, Tennessee with the Smoky Mountain view, where country beats and nature's beauty brew. We live life to the fullest, that's how we do. Happy hour Fridays, nothing's ever blue. Beer pong at the lake, sun shining bright. In the USA, everything feels right. In Fort Worth, Texas, the honky-tonks are live. Boots and hats dance under starry skies. In Bakersfield, California, the sound is unique. A country scene that's hard to beat. Louisville, Kentucky, bourbon and song, a perfect blend that carries